Hi, I'm Jeneline B. Kaintoy. Before disassembling a computer, we must learn first the occupational health and safety procedure. First, always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of computer. Next, do not work alone so that there is someone who can take care in case of accident or emergency. Third, be careful with the tools that may cause short circuit. Fourth, always pull the cable connector on the handle and not to the cable itself. Fifth, use only rubber shoes when standing on the ground or in a concrete floor. Make sure that the pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. 7. Always power off and unplug the computer before working on it. 8. Take away any liquid such as mineral or salt drinks near your working area or near computer. 9. Contingency measures during workplace accident, fire, and other emergencies are recognized. 10. Personal protective equipment is correctly used in accordance with organization or occupational health and safety procedure and practice.